Hello, my name is Anna and I have a particular interest in Japanese aesthetic. Therefore, my research topic reads as follows. The prevalence of Japanese inspired interiors within contemporary work in UK can be found in many examples. The popularity of this aesthetic is due to many driving factors. Some of the key factors that make the Japanese aesthetic so popular are the use of color, open space, and simplicity. My investigation was around my research questions. I created the quantitative questionnaire when I was given selection of answers, as now by knowing much more about Japanese design, I wanted to find out if designer was evident using Japanese approach. And I sent out questionnaire to two groups of interior designers. First group, designers that I knew they had Japanese related projects, and group two, designers were picked from randomly from World of Interior index page. I created 4 research questions. How do Japanese interiors use color, and does it affect our perception of interior space? My research shows that most designers follow the Japanese rules when it comes to selecting colors for the Japanese interiors, omitting pastels and focusing on earthy and gray colors. Majority selected white in here, and also gray and taupe is quite high. When asked about what colors human use to evoke sense of calm in non-Japanese inspired interiors, use of pastels automatically increased. I should mention that there was a question which was an open type of questions where designers provided their comments how to change the perception of space with use of color. And some comments were saying that painting the walls white and ceiling darker will give the impression that the ceiling is lower. Use of white or light colors will create a feeling of spaciousness in an environment which reflects natural light and makes surfaces appear larger to the eyes. To this research question, what are the aspects of Japanese interiors that we see in contemporary interior design practices in UK? Most designers, they selected decluttering as the most important aspect, followed by the void, natural materials and illumination. Someone commented that using smaller, thinner furniture with defined legs will open up the room more and give an illusion that the furniture is taking up less space. And this could be used for Japanese interiors when you want to create like emptiness in the space. Another research questions was what are the visual characteristics that we associate with calm and zen interiors? And in here we can see this graph showing that mainly participants evoke sense of calm with color, with move with ease, linear design, built-in storage. This also actually answers question how does Japanese interior design evoke sense of calm, and how is that used by UK interior designers? And using neutral tones will make space look calmer, which was another comment how to change the perception of the space. So how does Japanese interior design evoke sense of calm, and how is that used by UK designers? So again, to this, it will be answered that the majority use wood, glass and stone. As we can see, those are the highest. Bamboo and natural materials like bamboo and paper were also mentioned, but they were having lower. Recommendation for interior designers suggests that not only natural materials could be used in Japanese design, as long as they are paired with natural materials, so bamboo and stone. So for example, adding transparent furniture like perspex chair will make the space appear larger and lighter. And another suggestion from designers' comments, it was creating zones in an open plan space using racks to define a conversational zone or dining zone will make this space looks defined and more organized. use of white or light colors will create a feeling of spaciousness in an environment which will reflect natural light and make surfaces appear larger to the eyes. That was another comment. My research shows that majority of designers haven't used Japandi style in their projects when asked. We don't know why is that the case. It will be interesting to find out whether they are familiar with this trend and if it's of their interest. And even though that decorative elements are not focal part of Japanese design, it will be also interesting to find out what particular components are commonly used. So those are the recommendations. Thank you.